Unlock a faster, safer way to shop your favorite deals on Temu by harnessing the power of Apple Pay. Ready to breeze through checkout? Here's your easy guide to paying with Apple Pay on Temu. First, open your Temu app and tap on the Me tab, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in your account, look for and tap on Payment Methods. You'll see a list of available payment options. Tap on Apple Pay. Now, you'll be prompted to add a card if you haven't already linked your Apple Pay to this device. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your card details. You might need to verify your card through a text message or email code for security. Once verified, your Apple Pay card will be added to Temu. Now for the fun part, shopping. Find an item you love and tap Buy Now or add it to your cart. When you proceed to checkout, you'll see your chosen payment method. Make sure Apple Pay is selected. Then, simply tap the Pay with Apple Pay button. You'll be prompted to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And that's it. Your payment is securely processed, and your order is confirmed. You've just made a fast, secure purchase using Apple Pay on Temu. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind that comes with using Apple Pay for your Temu shopping sprees.